Hi, in this video I just want to give you a quick overview of the WooCommerce system. WooCommerce system consists of two primary parts, the WooCommerce system here and the products interface right here. The WooCommerce system right here, first thing we have is our orders screen. Take you there real quick and you'll see it's just a list. We don't have any orders here right now, but if we did see an order, we would be able to click on that order like you can with any other thing in WordPress and go into the order screen, which we're going to go over later in another video. In addition to this area, next to orders, we have reports, which gives us an overview and some detailed reports of what's going on in the system right now. Sales, customers, and stock will also let us know if we have products out of stock or if we have products getting low. We have coupons. We can put coupons in the system. We can give people % off of a certain item, a certain amount off of a certain item, a % off of their total order. You could give them a % off of their total order if they spend X amount of dollars. It's a pretty versatile system, as a matter of fact, for coupons. Here we have settings. You probably won't actually have to go into this much. This is already that and what it does is this is the portion of the system we go into and set up completely before you guys will actually begin even adding products or anything, so you won't really have to worry about this portion. But this just has, as you can see, general, catalog, pages, inventory, tags, and what these are is this is just the setup for all of these and how we want the system to run and how we want it to send emails out to people and what payment gateway we're going to use, what shipping we're going to use, do we have to charge tax for anybody, how are we going to have this system take care of inventory, what pages should it point to when the system says go here to a certain place, like back to the shop page, and in the catalog, what should we display in the catalog. But all of this, like I said, is pre-set up, so you probably won't ever have to worry about this. Over here is a system status. And it just gives you a quick overview of the system status is all it does. The products interface, once again, when you click on, you look at all the products, a very, very similar listing like you see in most other WordPress interfaces, and just a more detailed posting. This is basically a custom post type, and it's a much more detailed post type than you usually see. It allows you to change product types, to make it a virtual or even a downloadable product, give it an SKU, change the price, give it a sale price, change the shipping class if you want to use just per se like a flat rate shipping with one type of product, you can just do that. A short description and a long description, which shows if we were looking at one of those products, the short description will show up right here and the large description will show up right here. The short description, you don't want to have it very big, just a paragraph. The large description you can have quite big. And you can set a featured image right there. You can also denote denote what related products are directly related to that product, so you can have some upsells and cross-sells going on. It's a good system. And here, click on here and we get an add product screen, which is just what we were looking at before, but it's just a completely blank screen, so we can add a brand new product. Here it lists our product categories, and all we have right now is featured, but you can add in as many product categories as you want. And the benefit to that is when you create product categories and you associate those products with certain categories, they will automatically show up as related products in the system. It will automatically generate that in kind of a random way. So just kind of a nice feature to have a way for related products to show up on product pages without having to go in there and manually enter in each product you want to. But if you do go in and manually enter in featured product or related products, then that will override anything that this category system does automatically. Tags is just a way to tag products with different things. All we have in there right now is featured. All tags do is you can add as many tags to a product as you want. You can create as many tags as you want, and you can also add products to more than one category too. So you don't just have to add them to one category. You can add products to more than one category, and you can tag products to more than one tags. Tags help tags are basically for the search function. It will search by categories, but then you can also specify tags which are basically like a subcategory of categories in a way, and it just helps WordPress index information. So if you have something very specific, you put this you can put something in a category of, home decor, and then down here you may put, that home decor piece may be, down here you may put that it's a desk it's oak and, it has 2 chairs with it or something along those those lines. Shipping classes, different shipping classes are available, and you can add in manually your own shipping classes. There are some already built in. You won't have to worry about this feature because we won't be changing any shipping classes. We'll be using the default ones that are built in here. And attributes are a way to add attributes for variable products. And we will go over variable products, and we'll describe what an attribute is. But attributes, this is a way for you to add an attribute list in that you can add in really quickly, as opposed to having to add attributes in to each product when you're creating a variable product. So in the next video, we're going to go over actually entering in a new product into the system from scratch.